like to talk about the new airdrop currently ongoing, Pond. Pond is the AI model of crypto 7.5 funding, and it's currently ongoing right now. The newest airdrop currently being done. Let's get started. Okay, all you need to do right now is sign up. I'm using my I choose to use my Google Gmail so to type in, so I'll sign up automatically. Okay, I'm done here signing up, so I need to perform text tax here. Need to perform start one step at a time. Drop the check right now to add. That's all you need to do. Let's perform the tax that's here. The more tax you keep on, the more points you're able to complete more tax, the more points you get. Your discussion.